Every JEE aspirant has a story, जो एक छोटी सी hope से शुरू होती है. But as they proceed, they start facing challenges. इतने barriers that they start doubting themselves. But you know what makes the difference? जब तुम्हारे साथ कोई होता है. आइए मिलते हैं एक ऐसे JEE एस्पिरेंट से जिनकी स्टोरी ने हमें सिखाया that with the right push and the right people by your side, even the toughest dreams start to feel real. So tell me something about yourself.
My name is Gauri Srivastava and I am currently studying at Akash Invictus. I'm in like 12th grade and I aspire to study in one of India's most reputed tech colleges.
So when did you have this aspiration or dream to study in the top institute of India?
I have had an inclination towards science since the very beginning. I mean, from class 4th or 5th, I remember, I was really inclined towards sciences. And then I started to look for ways I can pursue my interest and live my passion. In class 11th, I started to really focus on this dream and start preparing for this exam. Me and my family, we looked for various coaching institutions because we knew that I would need some type of a guidance. So we shortlisted some of the institutions and I finally enrolled into one of the institutions. The particular institute, it was going good. I was really motivated. But then around the transition between class 11th and 12th, which is around January this year, we started to have a bit of problems with the previous institution I was studying in. Like the JEE preparation is a 2-year crucial 2 years of preparation, but having such hurdles or such rocky paths or pit stops, I would say, in the journey really hampers one's journey. So I would not only say that my journey was hampered, but even my parents were hampered with this. They were stressed, they were anxious, even my friends, and everyone was not in the perfect state.
So how did you zero in on choosing your next institute or support system?
Okay, so as I've told, it was a state of turmoil in January this year, and we were all really confused, looking out for options, asking people. So at that instant only, randomly on social media, I think one day I found out about Akash Invictus. I knew Akash since a long time. I mean, we all know about Akash since a long time. It's a 36-year-old legacy, and at that stage, we were not very comfortable to trust on any institute. Having such a setback from a well-known institute really hampers one's trust. But then after seeing all the things that I would need, which were important in my journey. For example, having a good support system, having good packages, having a great faculty, and having a mentorship that really puts together the whole journey together. The Akash Invictus program really ticked all my checkboxes, and I happily enrolled here.
That's amazing. So now that you are part of Invictus, how's your journey going on?
So I would say it is going great. I mean, I am able to understand. I am able to respond. I'm able to practice questions and answer to many of the questions. The faculties here are really nice. The packages, the modules are, I would say they are equally good or even better than the previous institute. And also I would say the major part is the mentorship, which is provided here, which is very important and is a plus point.
So would you like to give any advice to your juniors?
I would really first tell that if you are really in the zeal to give this exam, because it is a not nationwide but worldwide exam. So I would first of all recommend them to really think about it, to really understand what the level of the competition is, to really comprehend that I will be able to do this exam, because once you enter this this competitive era or this competitive environment, you understand that okay, I'm not the only one who's here with this zeal. There are many more, and so I would recommend them to first really focus, and then the key point which all of us lack is good mentorship.
True.
Because we coming from class 10th are not well versed with how things are supposed to go on for such competitive exams, because we are used to writing subjective answers, CBSE, ICSE, so it's all really subjective and well on the concept. But to really critically hit that point to answer the questions in such a big exam like JEE, one needs good mentorship, how to practice questions, what resources to take on, how to even incorporate the revision, because revision also plays a really big key role. So I would say the mentorship is the main part for which you should look for institutes like Akash Invictus.
Great. Thank you for your wonderful inputs.
Thank you so much.
Struggles and challenges are part of every journey, unavoidable. इसलिए आकाश इनविक्टस का प्रॉमिस है, इट स्टैंड्स बाय यू। हर लो फेज में एक सपोर्ट बनके, हर डाउट में एक गाइड बनके। इट होल्ड्स योर हैंड टू रिमाइंड यू that every failure brings you closer to success, and Akash Invictus makes sure you stand undefeated in the face of any challenge.